Hello everyone, Tyler the Tank Engine here, and today I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes look of my new episode called Edward and Nia. So, I'm using Final Cut Pro, and that's the website I use to make my episodes and videos for my channel, and this is what I did so far. Yeah, sorry you had to hear that, but yeah, so I'm following Railfan number 1's steps, and so here's how I do it. Well, let me go up here. Let me try to find it. Ah, here it is. Yep. See, let's put it right here. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, wait, there we go. Never mind. So, here's how I do this. So, I just, like reference number 1 did, well, I just try to match the face. Hang on, just let me go to... Oh wait, wrong one. Let's try... I do it like that, and let's... Oh, whoops, sorry. wrong way. And so... Oh, so maybe I should try to... Oh, sorry about my camera. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me try to fix it. Wait, Ah, there we go. Now let's see if it works this time. Perfect. Now let's... Yep, I think that's perfect. And now... Oh, sorry about that. And so, yeah, so after you do that... And then, the next thing you want to do... yeah, and go up here and then press that. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, wait, I think I do it like that, put it right here. And you move it, like, see? Oh, sorry. And you keep doing the same direction, like keep doing it in this direction, keep doing that. And then then press that again, and then move it. I think this is what just like reference number 1 did. And then let's finish that and make it a little bigger. And let's see it. And that's how you do it. And shout out to reference number 1 for teaching us how to do this. This is pretty cool, huh? So, reference number 1, if you're watching this, thank you. This is Tyler the Tank Engine, signing out.